Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you all the details of this car, the new Citroen C3. This is the all new generation model with completely new design and look, and the shape of the car also is different compared to the predecessor. So let's start here on the front. You can see the new design language from Citroen, starting here with the new logo that looks magnificent in my opinion. Very nice and definitely suits the car. Then you have very pronounced bumper here. Then look at the pattern here, the chevron pattern on the upper and lower section here on the front, of course, to go with the badge. Very nice detail. And then the lights, I will now lock the car and unlock it once again, so you will see again the beautiful lights. Definitely distinctive look on the road. These are flickering, of course, just on the camera. The real air inlets, as you can see here, and very robust styling of the car. 163 millimeters of ground clearance, so more SUV styling now compared to the predecessor. Definitely very robust. I'm a big fan of the shape of the car and the design of the car. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts. Here is the side profile. The car is just over 4 meters long, so 4 meters and 15 millimeters. That's the length of the car. And then we can take a look at those wheels. So here we have the Max trim with 17-inch wheels, dual tone, diamond cut, looking very nice. Now look at this, the pronounced wheel arches that also have the chevron pattern. We have the dual tone. Elixir red is the name of this color. And yeah, the Max trim, so you have 3 trims available here in Croatia: U, Plus and Max. So Max is the top of the line trim. Let us now move on to the rear of the car that also has distinctive look. I will now lock the car and unlock it once again so that you can see the lights when they turn on. There we go. Lovely lighting signature. Look at this. The C shape for the taillights, just like on the headlights. So very nice and goes very well one with another. Now you see also very robust styling for the bumper, and again lovely pattern just like on the front, and then the new logo in the middle. Tell me in your comments, how do you like the new styling of the new generation C3? And now I will open the tailgate to show you the trunk space. Generous 310 liters of space here. You have the hook for your shopping bag on the right, and then by pulling this, here we have the tire compressor and some tools as well. There we go. And now we are ready to check out the interior. So here is how to easily close the tailgate, and there's the rear view camera in here. There we go. Let me also show you the C-pillar from close. There we go, distinctive look. And also I need to show you the car from this angle. Well, there we go. So it's time for the interior. This is the key, by the way. And yeah, this is how it looks. Completely new, modern, and also very cool in my opinion. Funky, cool design with the large infotainment screen in the middle, and this, the head-up display, which you will see when we turn on the car, of course. New small steering wheel with the new logo. Citroen Advanced Comfort seats. These are so comfortable. You also have the Citroen Advanced Comfort suspension. Now here we have some details such as these. Be cool. You have different words. Have fun over there, and also I will show you at the rear as well when we will be checking out the space at the rear. Now this is in white, so that way it will be easier for you to find the things that you put in the door pocket, which is, by the way, huge for a car of this size. The windows, the switches for the windows and the mirrors. And I think now we are ready to check it out from driver's perspective. Welcome to the interior of the new Citroen C3. So Citroen calls it the C-Zen Lounge, And now I will show you. So here we have the key, the classic key, and I will show you this CITROEN head-up display, and in the middle the main touchscreen. Let's turn on the car. There we go, and this is how the layout looks. Let me change the view and show you more details. We will start with the steering wheel, the small steering wheel that feels very nice in hand. Of course, the new logo here in the middle, and you do have the physical buttons. With this one you can also control some things here on this CITROEN head-up display that is nicely integrated into this section of the dashboard. And then here we have the 10.25-inch touchscreen. Now also some cool details here, for example USB-C port, then the pattern for the dashboard, and also I must say that depending on the trim you have different styling here, because the base one would get the phone holder and then you would have the things on your phone, and then from the second trim you do have this screen, and then this is the top of the line interior, top of the line model with, of course, top of the line interior with the screen and the automatic AC, for example. Here you see also the wireless charging pad. The AC controls, by the way, are very easy to use, because here is where you can adjust the temperature, and this is where you adjust the air blower. Also you have various options in here. So overall, very easy to use it. AC Max, and the cup holders are here. Gloss black section here, not a huge fan of that. I think this will get fingerprints or scratches easily. Love the design of the 6-speed manual transmission, and it feels very nice in hand. So yeah, this is how you go into reverse. There we go, nice view from the rear view camera. And here you have the classic handbrake, not something that we often see in modern day cars. I think some of you will love this. The seats, again, they are so comfortable, and stay tuned for the point of view drive. Also, we will talk more about the comfort there and the suspension. So the combination of this CITROEN Advanced Comfort suspension and those seats is just amazing, really. Now here, the glove compartment that has this cool detail here. So look at those iconic models here. It says here iconic since 1919. That's very cool. And then again the tag here, have fun. And now we are ready to check out the infotainment system. Okay, then the 10.25-inch screen. Here is where you can have the power off or screen off. There we go, and power off. Here, so this is how you can control the volume. You have the mute here, so just press here in the lower right section. You can also control the volume in here. Now this is like the home screen. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto are here, and then on the left you have the shortcuts here, so the radio, the phone connection, then navigation. You need to agree here, and here is your navigation. There are different options here: distance and time, driver assists. So you can adjust it, route settings. So those were the settings here for the navigation, and you can change the view. Then also here is the zoom out, zoom in. You can also do it, of course, like this. And that's it when we talk about the navigation. Now let's go here to the settings, where you have the details such as the language. So those are the general settings: factory reset, software update, and map update. You go back in here, display settings, So you can adjust the night brightness, devices, and yeah, I think now we need to go back here. Audio, you can adjust the settings here. The equalizer, volume, and then you can adjust it here, and the clock settings. So I think now we covered this infotainment system. So as you can see, very easy to use it. And now we will go to this section here, the head-up display. And actually, when you're driving, you have a nice overview of the most important things right here in front of you. So that is nice. And I will show you now. Here you have the fuel gauge, then the speed limit also, and actually the traffic sign recognition. Then here you can also change what you see on the right by pressing this button here. So look at this. You have the temperature, kilometers, and consumption, trips, and your range. So those are the things here, but you can also adjust by pressing this button here. You go into the menu, driver assistant. You can here then set active safety brake on or off, speed change sound, driver attention alert, and reset TPMS. And if we go back, user settings can be adjusted. So language, units, brightness, privacy, those are the things that you can adjust in here. And go back, and now we are back to this like on the start. So definitely innovative thing and something completely new. The good thing is that it really, like, this is my eye level, so you see everything right in front of you, the info that you need. So yeah, thumb up from me for this. Share your thoughts with me. How do you like it? And yeah, do you prefer this or the standard digital cockpit? I want to hear your thoughts. Now here you have some physical buttons, including the one for the start, stop, off, lane assist off, and then this is for muting the sounds like the speed alert warning. The design of the air vents is very cool indeed. And I think now we covered this interior, so now I will also show you the sun visors. The lights are here. There we go. And the sun visor for the passenger as well. Now let's check out the situation at the rear bench. So the car is longer than the predecessor, and it's roomier inside. You can see the short overhangs, and now we will check out the rear bench. Tinted windows on this model, and here is how it looks. I will start here with this feel good lettering, and then again the door pocket with the white floor so that you can see what you've put here. The seats, they are so comfortable here at the back as well, with the lovely pattern. But without further ado, let me jump here and show you how that looks. So just about right, and again, very comfortable to sit here. You have the storage compartment here, but also this convenient storage compartment on the right as well. And then USB-C ports. Here is your view at the front. Let me show you the situation for my head as well. Okay, then I'm 1.87 m, and look at the amount of room that I still have here. This is so impressive, and yeah, definitely very impressed by the amount of room that I have here at the back. So for a car of this size, this is a huge thumb up from me. Time to talk about the powertrain options for the new Citroen C3. So starting with the model in our video that's got the petrol unit. Turbo 100, so it's got the 1.2 liter turbocharged petrol unit producing 100 horsepower. You can also go for the hybrid 100. That one has got the 48 volt hybrid technology, and that one is paired with the automatic transmission. This one is paired with the 6-speed manual. There's also the electric version, 113 horsepower electric one. That one will also be on test soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, well, tell me in the comments what would be your choice of powertrain for this car, and stay tuned for the test drive with this particular engine. And now I will do another walk around with the lights and indicators turned on. So of course flickering just on the camera, daytime running LEDs, indicators, and the main units. Also at the rear, this is how it looks. So again, C-shape lighting signature. These are the indicators. There we go. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe. We are going on a point of view drive. Stay tuned for that video. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.